Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alicia and today we are making some yummy, fudgy, chewy, chocolatey brownies. Basically a Y on the end of every word I could think of. So for the ingredients, you're going to need 180 grams of butter, 150 grams of dark chocolate, 3 large eggs, 150 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of light brown sugar, 70 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of vanilla and some salt. I've got a large glass bowl, a spatula and a palette knife, and I have greased and lined a 9 by 9 inch cake tin, and I've also put some extra greaseproof paper just up the sides, which is going to help you get the brownie out of the cake tin once it's baked. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius and let's get baking. I'm going to put the butter and the dark chocolate in a bowl and we're going to heat them together until they've melted over a bain-marie. Once they're melted together, it's time to add the sugar, and adding the sugar is going to help the mixture cool down before we put the eggs in. And a lot of recipes just use caster sugar, but I like to use light brown sugar in mine because I find that it creates a chewier brownie. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear my dog Logan panting in the background. I'm not sure if he wants to play with my microphone or he's scared of it because he comes up, sniffs it, runs away, barks and then comes back for more, but that's why he's panting, so I'm sorry if you can hear him. Anyway, back to baking. So the next thing you're going to do is add the vanilla in, and this isn't going to make your brownies taste like vanilla, it's just going to enhance the chocolate flavour. So we're going to add that in and give it a quick mix. Now it's time to add the eggs. I'm going to add them in all in one go and give it a good mix until it's all combined. And your mixture should look a little something like this. So next we're going to add in the flour, cocoa powder and salt. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of salt, and again this isn't necessarily going to make your brownie salty, it's just going to enhance the flavour of the chocolate. And that is your brownie batter complete, and it just looks so delicious, and I could very easily just get a spoon and dive right into that, but don't try that at home kids because we don't want any salmonella. So the next thing I'm going to do is put the brownie batter into a cake tin and level it off with a palette knife. Now we're going to pop this in the oven for roughly 25 minutes. You want it so the top goes crispy but it's still gooey in the middle. And that is the brownies cooked, and as you can see it's got that crinkly top, which is exactly what we want. Now my favourite way to serve brownie is warm with a dollop of vanilla ice cream on top, which just melts into the brownie and it tastes amazing. So if you want that version of it, then you'll obviously want to cut it when it's warm. If you want a more clean cut, then you'll want to leave it until it's cool, and you can make as big or as small a slice as you like. I'm going to make 16 slices out of this. You could even eat it all in one go if you like, but you will get a massive sugar rush. And that's the brownies complete, and I love a brownie that has a fudgy centre but a crinkly top, and that is exactly what we've got here, as you can see. But the real question is, are you a centre person or an edge person? Leave your comments down below so I can see. I think I'm an edge person just because you get so much more of the crispiness on an edge rather than the centre, but let's face it, I'm not going to turn down any brownie that's given to me. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, bye!